Hey my friends, I'm Oliver from Token Hobby. Inside this box you see it's a very big excavator 1:14 scale and Kabolite K970-100S. We will open it and get it ready to run and test the functions to show you. Let's open it. So here we got this manual and the stickers. Put on table. Here is the radio. This one is PL18EV Lite. This one is the battery charger. And that battery is a very big one. It's 15,000 mAh. 15,000. It's a big one to run in a long time for the excavator. So here are the small decorations to put on the excavator. And some screws. This one is the spare track link and one filter. No, this is decoration suction air filter. And some tools, syringe for doing maintenance. As you understand, it is a machine and with many parts, metal one, hydraulic one. So as machine, after a long time running, we will have to do maintenance. Even for a very expensive, fancy car, we will have to do maintenance, right? So we will lift it up, put on table. Okay. Okay, so let's take out the plastic wrapping. And later, this one need to put hydraulic oil, put it up and connect it to the front arm. So, and put all these decorations, then we will put hydraulic oil, testing all of this. Okay, now I will put the decorations. This painting and the metal parts, it's all very shiny, looks awesome. Love this one. Okay, so this one we already put these decorations, GPS, air filter, and the ladders. So now let's put the hydraulic oil from here. I already opened the caps. So this one maybe need to fill up around a little more than 100 ml. After put oil, we can start it and move the big arm up, then connect this one to be in the good position to be easier to connect it. 1.5 syringe, maybe enough. Yeah, this oil tank should be have. Yeah, here have these glasses. You can check the level. The oil level later reach the middle of the glass will be fine. After running, we'll push out the air in the system. So after running, should fill up a little more to keep the oil in the middle position. Wow, this is a big oil tank. Okay, now already at the middle position. So this bottle, it is from here to here, it's almost 200 ml. Big oil tank for this excavator. So we already put hydraulic oil and now ready to start. We will run it to raise up the big arm, so easier to put this cylinder. Also can push it out by hydraulic oil to be in position. Okay, connect the battery. Power it on. Okay, so let's see. Okay, connected. Start the pump. Now running a little bit to push out the air inside. drop it and push out this cylinder. Okay, it is coming out. Yeah, should be enough. Don't touch the paint. It's so beautiful not to scratch on it. So now we can stop the pump and connect this one. So this one actually you can tighten a little bit because this one this head it is screw connected with this bar. Okay, so now take out this screw, remove the pin. We'll be able to put this. Okay, turning it and find the right angle. So here's this pin. Have some. We got this washer. So each side put one washer. Then try to put. Okay, pin. And this side have to put a washer too. It is a little tricky. Have to just in position to push inside. Yeah, you will need some special tools. Okay, in position. Okay. Good, then lock it. Okay, ready. Let's see. Good. So running all the way to expel out the air in the cylinder. Each cylinder moving to the most dead end position. A few times all the oil will be filled up in the system, will be running smoothly. That's to start it. Okay, the small arm. Okay, so the moving of it looks smooth. Good. Now, if you check the oil level, yeah, it is less than half. It is only some oil, it is sticky on the glass. If you check from up angle, you will see the oil level already going down. So better to fill up a little more, not suction air going inside the system. Fill up only a little more. Okay, so this is the smoking unit. Open the cover, you can see, can fill up smoke oil from this one, you pull it out. But better now you can open it to see how much actually to fill up, and is the cotton inside, it is soaked or not, to check it. So then you can turn it on, heating up to come in smoke. So that's the heating wires, and wraps this cotton which is soaked with oil. So you cannot sand with oil, so now you have to fill up oil. This one, it is, you can buy from your local this model shop, smoking oil. Maybe less than 1 to 3, that's enough. And better to soak this cotton, this rope, so can have oil inside. After heating will come in smoke. Left it soak a little bit. Now you can put the screw back. So I will show you this one. If you pull it out, this rubber, you can pull it out and fill up with this small needle to fill up directly. After running a long time, maybe don't have enough oil inside, you can fill up there. Yeah, I prefer to open the screw so you can see inside actually how much oil is there. Okay, that's how to fill up smoke oil, and later can run it to test. So I have started and tested the smoking, but not coming smoke. The problem is some oil is remaining in the hose. So take out this cover for filling up the oil, take out, blow air inside, so the oil will go back to the tank. So we are not block this nozzle, then will come in smoke. Okay, now start the smoker. After wait, need to heating up, maybe 30 seconds. Heat up. Okay, now already coming oil, smoke here, block it. Okay, start coming. Good. So this one put back. Okay, smoke coming. Then this hose, find a clip, put it back. Okay, let's play it. Everything is ready. Got a light. This is the pump. Here is the light. So front this one, rear side also have. Also can switch to different. Some on, some off. Okay, now we keep all on, and also have this turning light. Switch it on. Then we will start the pump, moving it. First, let's try the track. Left track, forward, backward. Right one, forward, backward. And spinning. Spinning by the track. Let's see, spinning by the upper part. Try 360 degrees. Also you can see the details of this fancy excavator. Okay, now we will start the hydraulic pump. Move it. Now it is mix control. So also, this control curve for the arm bucket also can be changed, so not moving so fast, easier to control. This one can be setting later from the radio. Okay, that's the moving of the hydraulic. My bad, I forgot to start the smoker and also the sound. That's the sound. On, engine already start, then move it, drive it to see. Here's the engine sound, track sound. And pump start. Hydraulic engine sound. Spinning sound. Okay, that's the sound, and now it's rear side turning. You will see it's coming smoke. That's the smoke. That's the functions for this, and we will see here. We also got the quick connection, pump stop, sound stop. So you see here this one. That's the quick pin for remove this one. Okay, no, yeah. First we change the position so the bucket not drop. Like this, the bucket will not drop. Here is the hook. Okay. Remove it, the bucket can be changed. So here is the pin, lock. unlock and lift up, you will see here, that's the quick coupling for changing all these different, the claw, the plier. You see that's the quick connection, the coupling. So later we will change it to see the functions of the plier, this fork, and also this grab and this fork. Now we change to this fork, which can controlled by 2 spare channels. This one can turning, also can change the wideness of this fork. So 2 channels, when you push this in, be quick and then lock it, because there are remaining oil in the hose, high pressure, and we are leaking from the quick connection. So quick push and lock it. Yeah, push in by hand, hold and lock it. So with less oil will coming out. Yeah, let's try to move it. This one controlling, changing the wideness for it. And this one is the turning. Let's see how much can turn. Okay, this side, another side. So it is 270 degrees. Change it to another side. This side. Okay. So this one we will need to practice. Also, the valve need to adjusting from the radio to open only a little and control curve only a little, so can be controlled turning with a small fine angle. Okay, if you want to lift up a container, something, some box, really need to practice long time to get the skill. Yeah, so can move easily for it. Okay, that's what I said. The radio need to set in very good for the control curve, so can start slowly. Now we will try the plier and also the grab. Okay, now we change to this plier. Let's try this one. Spinning. So the valve for turning it is all same. So 207. Let's. Yeah, around 270 degrees. And close it. So this cylinder, you see, it is a big diameter, so got much more power to close it. So this one very strong, can easily here can cut wires and easy break nuts. Okay, that's for playing. Okay, that's the operation of this one. Now we will change to the grab. Change the hook. So, and this one now, sometimes it is too much pressure inside here, yeah? So you stop the pump because inside got the pin, 4 pin inside and pushing the hydraulic oil going inside, it's pushing a lot of power. So you stop pump, change, move all the distribution valve, so the oil pressure, it is inside here, it is released. Turning it, open the valve, pressure released, then can easily take it out without much leaking oil. So unlock, quickly take it out, so no oil spilling out because you already released the pressure. Okay, now change this grab, hook in position, and get ready, push, lock it. Okay, ready? Turning, opening. Let's see how much can open. So that's the operation for this grab. And we also have other color. Also have this one for leaking water out. This one can use it for grab the rocks, digging in the rocks, sand in the water in the river. Okay, so now we will stop the pump and we will see the details of this one. Okay, so here we will open the cover. By this side, the small cover open, you will see the pressure gauge. Start the pump, moving, you will see, let me check the pressure. Okay, so almost coming to 4 bar. That's the pressure gauge, almost 4 bar. This one open, the battery chamber with this power switch and indicating how much remaining the power from battery. And this one should be able to open. That's the ESC for the driver motor. And here you open, we have the light soundboard, 2 receiver, and here it is smoking the blower fan, the heating unit, the ESC for the pump motor, and here is the oil tank. So, and under here, this one, you see it is 6 servo and 6 distribution valve. So we used here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the grab. So it's totally 6 channel for the oil valve all used. And let's turn it a little bit. We will see this track. So this is all stainless, this standing. So all of this, it is all metal, no plastic. So let's find what is plastic. Plastic is the window, the hose. What else? No more. It is okay. Also this decoration, this top. Others, it's all metal, alloy, stainless steel. Okay, here's a ladder and this drive wheel sprocket. And these shining decorations for secure this road wheel. On top, that's the return roller. And this is the idler wheel. Okay, with tension inside, have spring in this bar inside. It is connected to the idler. And can see the bottom of the excavator. This cover open, can see the wires inside for drive wheel going under there. Drive wheel wires coming from here, from the bridge, and go inside from the middle go top to the upper part body. Here you can see the wheels, track. So the motor are inside here. It is brushless motor for driving. Okay, now the cabin. Let's have lock, press down and open it. Okay, so this window now not clear because have this protection are not take it off. Have this foam there, some plastic papers. Inside got the screen now showing the temperature of oil system and also the voltage, 11.9 volt for the battery. Okay, so this protecting guard or metal one, the mirror, we will see here. From the middle, the hose all for from the 6 distribution valve. So all coming from here and with changing to this metal pipe secured here and then separate going to the big cylinder for the big arm, 2 cylinder for the arm, and then 1 cylinder on the top for the front arm. And this is 2 channel for the spare, 2 channel extra for the grab and the plier, and 1 channel in the middle, that's for the quick coupling the pin to open and close. Okay, so the bucket tilting is cylinder controlled, so the hose coming from here. And all this pipe should be stainless steel, yeah. And with this bolt connection, so not by the hose pressing and secured by the nuts. That one will be easy to break the hose. So this one must have, so not breaking the hose. Okay, what else? Let's see from the front. This position, you will see the turning this motor for spinning the upper part. It is also a brushless motor. Let's turn it around. Okay, from this side, here's the oil tank. This one can put some tools. This door cover open. One mirror, the ladders. You can open this side, the door. Inside have this flaps, but it's fixed. Yeah, inside it's shining stainless steel. Okay, the doors are closed and secured by magnet. After open here, we will see inside this cooler, and this cooler inside got a fan. Now it is blowing air to cool down the oil system. Here, this one, it is a filter. So let's see where it's from. After the cooler, the pump going to the system running, and then the oil coming to the cooler, then coming to this filter. So the metal deposit will be suction keep inside, that need to cleaning, and then the oil goes back to the tank. So from this angle, you will see this is the pump and motor behind here. Suction go to pump and return to tank. Here, this screw, it is a pressure release valve. Better not touching it, because this one, it is already adjusted by factory. The pressure, it is okay for the system. So if you screw it in, the pressure will rise. You don't know how much rise, maybe damage the system, too much pressure maybe. And also the pump loader from the radio can be adjusted. You can adjust from the radio. Later we will make one more video to show. So for this one, the hose, it is transparent. Now you see the oil, it is very clean. So for the machine running, need running in time. After you running this a few hours, so each time you play maybe only 20 minutes, 30 minutes. When you see the oil getting dark, getting black, so that is already running in the pump, the hydraulic system, the metal will have some friction, yeah? After getting dirty, you will know it is time to change the oil. So also cleaning, take out the filter, remove the metal deposits, and then change all new oil. So the system should be running perfectly. That's the maintenance for this one. Thank you. This is the excavator from Kabolite and K970-100S with light and sound, smoke, and all this. This is the original one, the original bucket. So all others, it is upgraded parts. If you like, you can buy separately. Also, the painting can be choose for other color, white, yellow. Yeah, thank you very much. We will see each other again. Bye-bye.